What's going on, guys? Dylan DeFazio here, back at you with another Bitcoin income secrets video. In this video, what I'm going to be going over is a cool little market reading tactic that you can use if you're looking to trade the cryptocurrency market, or if you're just looking for when might be the best time to buy and sell. So what I will be going over when we first get started is we'll look at the market cap, see what everything is going on, and then let's head over to BitConnect and see if we have anything to reinvest. Today is day 22 of my BitConnect journey, so let's jump right into it. So as we're looking at the market here, Bitcoin, it was down when I checked it this morning. It's about 836 right now. When I checked it this morning, it was sitting about 7,000. So we've had about a good 3% growth today so far, and everything is looking pretty up. Ethereum's down 1.6, Monero's down 2.7, NEM. So we got a couple of the ones that were on a good rise yesterday are now looking on a correction today. BitConnect is up almost 5%. That's crazy. So that's very good. We were down at, I think, 268, 270, and now we're jumping back up to 280. We're still in number 15 spot, and everything is looking good. Let's check out the Bitcoin prices. So pretty much everything is down compared to Bitcoin. Ethereum's taken a huge drop compared to Bitcoin. Litecoin's actually on a good rise. That's a pretty nice buy if anybody bought down here. And then what are we else looking at? BitConnect's up 1%. So nothing too crazy. We got a couple on the down, and we got a couple trying to break through here. But all in all, market's looking not too shabby. So let's hop over to the BitConnect. Let's do this a quick little refresh. I do have 1082 in my Lightning wallet, so let's go ahead and reinvest that. So we got, what do we got here? $5. So we had a $5 commission come through from a $100 purchase. So if you guys didn't know, the compensation plan did change. I think it went in effect about 2 days ago, 1 or 2 days ago. But the commission levels is now for anybody that you sign up. So tier 1, it's going to be 5%, and it's only on $100 or more. So every $100 you're going to get $5, and on tier 2 you're going to earn 3%, and on tier 2 you're going to earn 2%. So the $10 reinvest you no longer earn commissions for. You're only going to earn commissions for the $100. I think that's a little bit better. It's a little bit more sustainable, and obviously, once you kind of grow, you can see it scale really quick. So, actually, what I also want to go over in this video too is I want to show you guys. I grabbed this spreadsheet. So, if we look here, so right now I'm at a total of. Let's refresh the page. I set this up today. I was kind of looking at it, and the numbers are crazy. So this is what happens if you get no referral commission. So I'm at 750 right now, day 22. Total lending earns just about 70 and about $50 in commissions from referrals. So going pretty steady so far. I did start with $100 22 days ago, and we're sitting at about 750 right now. I have obviously put a little bit out of pocket, about $600 out of pocket. But I know, especially after reading the sheet, that I'm going to get it back very, very quickly. So as you guys see here, let's change this to 750. And over the last 6 months, the average interest rate is about 0.96. I grabbed this from the BitConnect site. If you just go to, so as you guys see here, yesterday we did 0%, 1.5 today, 8.4. So in the last 7 days, we've got a 0.99, and in the last 6 months, we've got a 0.96. So I'm going to use the last 6 months as it's a little bit more average. So what we see here is with my $750 account, every single day, I'm going to be earning about $7.20. So every 2 days, I can go back and reinvest. Obviously, if we have a better day, like today where it was 1.57, right, I'm going to earn 11.78, and I'll actually be able to reinvest today a full $10, as you guys just seen that I did. So what we're going to see though is if we do 0.96 over the average that we see here in 30 days, we're going to have a total, and this is no referrals, guys. This is just reinvesting every single $10. I'm going to show you how quickly you can scale this. So in 30 days, our account's going to be sitting at 980. In 60 days, our total loan account is going to be sitting at 1,300, and we're going to be earning about $12 per day. Okay, so let's fast track 100. Let's fast track to 100 days here. So at 100 days, we're going to be sitting at 1920. We're going to be earning about $20 per day. And if we fast track 365 days, so let's do a full year, we're going to be sitting at $23,000 in our lending account and earning $244 every single day. So how would you like to turn $750 or $100 or $500 into $23,000, a total income of $250 every single day? And it doesn't stop there, guys. As you guys see here, we can scroll through. In 500 days, let's see what we're sitting at. So in 500 days, we're sitting at almost $100,000. So let's see how many days. So it'll take us 508 days to break the $100,000 mark without any referrals if we start at $750. So that's pretty crazy, guys. Now let's see, just for fun, let's see if we started at 1,010. Okay, so 1,010, that's going to bring our average up. So if we did 0.96, we're going to add, I believe it is 0.2. Let's just see here. For 30 days, we'll calculate. So 0.1. So let's just say we're at 1.16 interest, because if we start with 1,010, we're going to get that bonus, okay? So what's going to happen here is we're going to start off right away earning $12 every single day. That's going to give us the ability to reinvest $10 every single day. So in the first 30 days, our account will be $1,450. In the first 60 days, our account will be $2,000, and we'll be making $25 per day. In 90 days, we'll be at $3,000. And in 100 days, we'll be at $3,300. So let's see how many days it'll take to hit that $100,000 mark. So we just chopped off 109 or 111 days by starting with 1,010 in our interest account with no referrals, and that puts us at earning $1,400 every single day. So if you guys want, all you got to do is get started. If you start out, all you need to get started is $100. You can start out with $100 like I did, like a lot of people do, right? Just start out with $100. See that you can earn every single day. As you guys see here, they post how much you earn, what percentages we're getting. Every day is not, a 1.5% day. Some days like yesterday were 0% days. Not everyday trading is a guarantee that you're going to earn 1%. And that's, it makes you feel comfortable, because if you were guaranteed 1% every single day, it's going to make you a little bit skeptical because nothing's perfect. There's no way you're able to guarantee 1% every single day. But if we can guarantee that you're going to earn, anywhere from 1 to 2% every single day, and sometimes you might get the shitty day where you earn nothing. But for the most part, as you guys see here, over the last 6 months, we've earned about 0.96, which is about 1% every single day. And that is amazing returns. So what I want to show you now is how to actually read the market. This is a very, very simple method, and this is the only thing that you need to look for if you're trading. You can use this for Bitcoin. I wouldn't recommend using this if you're going to be trading in like a 24-hour span, because sometimes it takes a little bit longer. So if you're looking to day trade, this isn't the best, but if you're looking for openings that you can take advantage of, definitely take a look at this. And you can use these for altcoins as well. So, what I recommend is finding an altcoin that you love, that no matter what, you're going to buy it. If it goes up, if it goes down, you're going to buy it no matter what. And use this method to make more Bitcoin, but also make more of whatever coin you're looking at. So I'm just going to use Bitcoin for this example. It's not very volatile, but in short form, you guys can see kind of what's going on. So as we see here, what most people want to do is we're going to set up the moving averages. So what I have here is if you go to tradingview.com and you click on indicators, what you're going to be able to do, just type in moving average, right? And it's going to bring up moving average. I already have 2 of them done, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to edit one. I like to make it a little bit bold. I have one as white, and this is going to be the one where when the white is on top, you want to sell, and when the white is on bottom, you want to buy. And I'll show you that here in a minute. But you want to make the white one 13. I'm using white because my background is black. And the second moving average you want to have set at 34. So the white is the 13 moving average and the blue is the 34 moving average. And that's what that means is it's the average price of the last 34 candles, and the white one is the average of the last 13 candles. So how are we going to use this to make money and to do good trades? So let's go to the hour so we have a little bit more action on the go. But what you guys can see here is if we go back a little bit, for the most part, as you guys see here, so the blue, the farther away the candles get from the white line, the better the buying opportunity is, okay? And the same goes for up here. The farther away from the white line, the better the selling opportunity is. Now, what most people would do is when it comes down here, right, they want to do the opposite of what we're going to be doing, okay? So if the white line comes down here, right, we want to be ahead of the game. So what we're going to be doing is every time that we see the white on top, we want to sell, and every time we see the white on bottom, we want to buy. Because what this means to us is if the white is on top of the blue, right, the price is going to go down. So what we want to do is we want to sell up here, right, wait till the white line crosses back over, and then we want to buy somewhere around here, right? So we see that the white's over, it went really far away, so this is a great time to buy, as you guys see here. And then when you're coming up, you want to sell at the new higher high. So, sell a little bit here, right? Sell a little bit here, sell a little bit here, sell a little bit here, and then buy down here, right? And you just want to continue this process all the way through. So if we scroll all the way back a little bit, so as you guys see here, right, great opportunity to sell. Sorry, I got some pop-ups going on here. But great opportunity to sell. The white comes above the blue. Great opportunity to sell. Comes back down, kind of touches, and then it drops below. Huge drop down here, right? Great time to buy down here. And then obviously we're going to continue upwards, right? And you guys get the point, but this is a nice easy way to kind of read the market and actually see, or get a good guess, a good estimate of where the price is going to go, and what you should look for. See, as we see here, this is current right now. So as we see here, the price came up, it touched over the white is on top of the blue, so we're going to come back down. As you see, the white crosses over, we got to sell. If you guys were to buy here, this is really good. as we're coming up here, we're getting farther away, right? So right about now would be a good time to sell. So if you're watching this video and the price is, about 7,500, you want to sell, because what's going to happen is either this is going to continue up and break through, which you want to sell every little bit, or once this crosses back down, it's going to retest to the moving average. So what you can understand is always, if we scroll out, you can see that no matter how far away from the blue line the price goes, it always comes back. So it always comes back to the moving average, because that's the average over a longer period of time, and it's always going to come back. Or the moving average, if it's on a steady climb, as you see here, the moving average is trying to catch up to the price, but the price is just going so high that the moving average can't keep up. So at some point, it's going to have to touch back down, and they're probably going to connect right around here. Now, it could drop a little bit down more, or it could just continue to grow, and the moving average would have to follow. But if you look at the trend, right, it's going to come up, it's going to come back down, it's going to come up, it's going to come back down, and this is going to be no different. So it's on just a little bit bigger of an uptrend, and it's going to come back down and test the market again. So I hope that helped you out a little bit, and I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, make sure, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, and hit that subscribe button and bell notifications to be updated the next time I upload a video or go live. So that's it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video.